In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word lagging and slow problems so you can work smoothly without annoying delays. Let's start with the most basic but often overlooked fix: closing and reopening Word. If Word has been running for a long time with large or multiple documents open, it can start to slow down. Save your work, close every Word window, wait a few seconds, then open it again and test the same document. This quick reset can clear temporary glitches from the current session. Next, check the document itself. Extremely large files, lots of images, or many tracked changes can make Word feel sluggish. If you're working in a very heavy document, try turning off tracked changes temporarily, or accept and reject changes to clean things up. You can also copy the content into a new blank document to see if performance improves, which helps confirm if the issue is document-specific. Now, let's look at add-ins. Add-ins extend Word's functionality, but some of them can slow things down or conflict with each other. Open Word, then go to the Options menu and find the section that lists add-ins. Disable any that you don't recognize or don't actually use. Then restart Word and see if performance improves. If it does, you can re-enable them one by one later to find the exact culprit. Another key area is graphics and hardware acceleration. Sometimes, Word's attempt to optimize performance using your graphics hardware has the opposite effect. In the advanced options, look for a setting related to hardware graphics acceleration and turn it off. After you apply that change, close and reopen Word, then test it again. It's also important to make sure your copy of Word and your operating system are fully updated. Outdated versions can have bugs or performance issues that have already been fixed in later updates. Run updates for Microsoft Office and for your system. Then restart your computer so all changes take effect. Speaking of restarting, a full system restart can make a big difference, especially if you haven't done it in a while. This clears memory, closes background processes, and gives Word a fresh environment to run in. Finally, keep an eye on your system resources. If other applications are using a lot of memory or CPU, Word will naturally feel slower. Closing browser tabs, video players, or heavy apps while you work in Word can free up resources and improve responsiveness. Follow these steps in order. Test after each change, and you'll usually find the cause of Word lagging and get it running much more smoothly.